Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga, and today we're about to recreate this makeup look. Unfortunately, I completely forgot to unplug my microphone. That's why this video is going to be mute, and I'm gonna explain some details the same way I'm talking to you right now. So please keep on watching if you like it, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. I always do. I'm going to use a little bit of a coconut oil, then my primer from Essence with some pink clay, and then this new product, not completely new, Essence Matte T-Zone, and I guess another step is my foundation. I guess this is the final result. If you like it, then please let me know in the comments, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.